In this task, we will learn about the prompt functionalities in LangChain. To achieve good results with large language models, we know that using appropriate prompts is crucial. The process of generating these prompts is known as prompt engineering. As we have seen in previous tasks, this prompt engineering part and providing concise, relevant, and contextual instructions to the language model is essential. It makes a difference between getting average results with models like ChatGPT or achieving good results. Once we have designed a well-crafted prompt, it is common to want to use it as a template and reuse it multiple times. That's why LangChain offers prompt templates that help us construct prompts using multiple components. How do we use these prompt templates? As shown on the screen, the first step is to import the prompt template function from LangChain. Then, we construct the template variable, which has a fixed, invariant part and a variable part represented by arguments. In this case, the argument is product. This product argument will be modified based on the call we make. We generate the prompt using the prompt template function, passing the input variables, in this case, product, and the complete template. When we want to use the large language model with this template, we simply use the prompt.format function and indicate the input variable, in this case, product. We specify that it will be colorful socks. What are we doing with this? We are providing ChatGPT, for example, with the command "what is a good name for a company that makes," and instead of product, it will take the value we specify in the call, in this case, colorful socks. If we want to pass the product name as multicolor sneakers, we would put multicolor sneakers here. By doing this, we generate a standard template to obtain names for companies related to different products. If we want a colorful socks name, we put colorful socks. If we want sneakers, we would put sneakers here. This way, we can reuse the same prompt for different use cases. Additionally, if we observe this prompt, we haven't provided any context or examples to the large language model. As we have seen before, a prompt engineering technique is to send a series of examples, known as fused prompting, so that ChatGPT learns from those examples and identifies what is intended correctly. How do we include this prompt engineering technique through LangChain templates? Import the prompt template function and also the fused prompt template function. Next, we define the examples on which the model, such as ChatGPT, will learn. We indicate that for the input happy, the output should be sad, and for the input tall, the output should be short. In this way, we provide two examples. As we can already infer from the examples, what we are aiming for is to obtain the antonym of the input word. Next, we define the template, word that will take this variable and antonym that will take the next variable. In the template, we pass happy, which should result in sad. Then, we use the prompt template function to construct the template, passing the input variables that will take the meanings we want. That is, we will pass the desired input word, and it will use the example template. Then, we use the fused prompt template function, which utilizes the examples, the example prompt we defined here, and the prefix we pass. The instruction we give to ChatGPT would be, as the prompt, give me the antonym for each input. The suffix, which in this case would be the examples, would be word with input, and we had previously defined input as the first word, followed by the antonym. By doing this, the model learns, and finally, we pass the variable for which we want to obtain the antonym, which we do here. In this case, we will use the template that has a fused prompting program to obtain the antonym of big. This way, we can generate templates that are much more effective than if we don't use examples, as shown on the left. It is a bit more complex to generate, but it is much more effective in obtaining good results.